video, guys, I'm gonna try on my new lipstick that I got from TheBalm. I'm not sure, this is the Meet Matt Hughes. I'm so bad at this. Meet Matt Hughes Vol.4. So I just bought the mini ones, but you can purchase the bigger sizes on their website online. I'm gonna put link below in the description box, just in case you want to check this out later. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna open this. I can't wait. And ta-da! And it shows in the back that what here. It shows in the back what color. Okay, I'll start with Adore. Look, this color right here, Adore. No, actually I'm gonna start with the lighter color since I'm gonna go darker. So I'll start with the lighter, and this one is the Committed. So I'm gonna swatch it first. Look how cute is that thing right there. It's super cute. I think this color it's good for spring and fresh looking outfit, but yeah, I think I liked it. And smells so good. It smells minty, and I'm about to eat this. It's just like a gum. Okay, so I used this makeup eraser from the original wet wipes, face wipes, to take off the makeup. I use this thing, and you can buy this online as well. I'm gonna put this in description down below just in case you're interested. I'm gonna use this one to erase my lipstick. Take this off, and you have to wet this first to take it off. I think this is way better to take off makeup or a lipstick, because you can just wash them off after and clean it and use it again. For the next one, I'm gonna try the Reliable. The next one is the shade called Charming. I'm gonna try the romantic. And this is how it looks on me far. So red. I'm still undecided which one is the one for me, but I think the Reliable, the second one that I tried, I feel like it looks, I feel comfortable using it. This one is the Romantic, and it's too, I think it's too red. It is light red for me. So there is so there is 6 in this mini box. So the 5th one is the dedicated right here, so I'm gonna try that one, and the last one is the dark one, so we'll see how the dark one looks on me. So let's go for the dedicated, and of course I have to wipe this off and take it off. Okay guys, for the last one, for the last one, shade Adoring, we're gonna go ahead and try this. Here, I'm gonna zoom in for you. This is super dark red, orange, something like that. I'm gonna go do some swatch, and I'm just gonna go it and put it in here. Oh, this is super dark red, as you can see. I like this shade for if I want to look fiercey. Okay, so guys, that was it. It's back in the box. Okay, these are the shades that I swatched. This is from the Committed. This is from the Committed, the Reliable. I think I got the I think I like the Reliable, and that's one of my favorite shades that I will be using most often. Other than that, I like this mini sizes liquid matte lipstick, because I can just throw them in my small purse whenever I need to. Tell me what you guys favorite in the comment section. What shade looks better on me? Comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the ring button, so every time I upload or post a new video, you'll get notified. Thank you guys for your support. See you in my next video. Bye.